Hi, this is Sarah from Align with Sarah. I'm hoping to take a little stroll with you here into our thoughts. I'm working a lot with people dealing with grief, and it is amazing how many different forms that can take, how many different responses we can have to events that will create a response of grief, and how each of our processes for coming through grief are going to be different. The ingredients that came together for one person, even if we're experiencing the same event, it's going to feel different to another person. It can feel similar, it can feel completely different. And we're here to just notice and connect to a piece of hope. Because when we are connected to hope, we're connected to light, and we're connected to a place of healing. We could notice the places that are still dark when we offer in more light. We can notice those beautiful places that need a little extra love. So with grief, I want to invite you to shut your eyes first. Let's talk about that. Let's invite in that experience where we're going to just take one sense away. We're going to close our eyes and just desensitize just a little bit. No distractions, nothing very hard. When we invite in this experience of even softer gaze, we could notice the light switch inside of us that we can turn on to chase away the shadows of those things that might feel really scary. So with our eyes closed and maybe even a hand on the heart, a hand on the belly, place to connect to ourself just a little bit. And when we have the eyes closed and we have a gentle connection to something that feels easy to put our hand on, we can then notice our breath. We can take a conscious breath, or we can allow this moment to just invite quietness into the body, into the mind, into our heart, into our spirit. This feeling of grief comes with a process. We can offer up that process to a higher power or to love. And when we offer that up, we have to open our hands, we have to open our hearts, and we have to open all those places that feel closed. And we don't have to open them all at one time. We don't have to feel wide open. We have to create a sense of awareness. We have to create a moment to notice, a moment to listen, and a moment to shift. And we can sit quietly with the body. We can be in awe of the way it speaks to us. And we can remember that once we're listening, we can speak back. And when we're listening with love, when we're listening with guidance from a higher power or a bigger picture, or in a state of belief and surrender, we can talk back to our body, our mind, our heart, our spirit, because we can understand in a new way. We can offer love to that chaos, love to that place that's out of our control. It is a creation. It is a manifestation. And we can change what we're creating by letting go of the chaos. I choose to let go of that negative emotion. I choose to let go of that negative thought. I choose to let go of this negative experience. I choose to let go of this limiting belief. I choose to let go of this chaos. Because when I let it go, my hands are open to receive. I can receive guidance. I can receive health. I can take the hand of love that is trying to lead me. Once I let go of the grip I have on chaos, one moment at a time, one thought at a time, I can let them go so I can receive something new, so I can receive the love I deserve. I choose to let it go and embrace my moment to love. I choose to embrace my moment of love.